people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas if you celebrated and a happy new year thus far. So it's that time to take down all the Christmas decorations. I usually take down mine the day after New Year's Day or sometimes even on New Year's Day. When do you take down your Christmas decoration? I welcome all of my new subscribers as well as my returning subscribers. If you are new here, I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom. On my channel, you'll find cleaning, decluttering, and organization videos. If that is something that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You guys see the TV on. I am watching an organizational video. It's funny how I'm organizing and then I'm watching a video at the same time about organization. I purchased this ornament box here from Amazon to keep most of my ornaments organized. I also purchased this tree bag from Amazon as well. I will link that video down in the description box below if you are interested.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above? I just need one. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves, it keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But morning. For now, I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I'm diving in.
Later, you will see that I decided to leave this reef up. This tree here is in my daughter's room, so I needed to take this out of her room. This tree was in my husband and I's room, so I undecorated the tree, took down the tree, and placed it in a storage bag. This tree, I ended up purchasing it from the store at home.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
Now I'm just storing everything away in my basement.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the
I forgot to take down this sign and replace it with my picture.
reaching for our moments miles above? I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars.
Now everything is all clean and put back in place.
Please start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
So I put out some winter decorations. Not much, just a little. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like this video because it really helps my channel. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys. Subscribe if this is the type of content that you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.